Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the new feature of Protemos that we've introduced in version 1.36. First we have one more menu item now, Files. If you click this button, you'll be able to see all the files that you ever uploaded to the system. And you can search them by file name, by type, by the uploader, by the size in megabytes, and by dates of upload. And if you're an administrator, you may even delete the files that you no longer need. But please be very careful, because it will not be possible to restore these deleted files. By the way, speaking about the files, now in projects, you may add links to external files along with normal files. So you can see this new button, add file URL, so you can just copy any URL of the file of online page or any file stored in other system, and then you'll be able to work with it just like you work with the files. For example, you can add a link to CAT tool project in MemoQ, SmartCat, or MemSource, or you may upload some files to cloud storage service like Dropbox or Google Drive and then use this link as a normal file. For example, you may include it to the jobs assigned to your translators. It all means that now you can store the files outside of Protemos, but still manage them like you did with the uploaded files. We've also added client contacts and vendor contacts menus. It means that now you can search the contacts of your clients and you can find a person if you do not know, for example, the company this person works in. You may just enter the name or any other information that you remember, click apply, and then you'll find anyone that coincides with your search criteria. The same works with vendors. You can find them. Also, we've added tags for clients and vendors. Now you may mark your client and vendor with special tags that you may create, and you may then search the clients by these tags. Let me show it. Yeah, like this. So in fact, you may use these tags as a sales funnel. You may just make the list of tags like potential client, negotiations, blacklists, etc. And then you may check which clients belong to this category, like here. Or you may use the tags for vendor to specify which CAT tools each of the vendors use, or you may use for whatever purpose that you need, and you'll be able to search any records by this tag. Another innovation that from now on you may hide finances from vendor by unchecking the finances visible checkbox here. In that case, the vendor will only see the jobs without payables and payments. It makes sense if you want to pay someone, for example, a fixed salary, but want to track the expenses. So if you want to hide the finances menu from any of your vendor, just uncheck this checkbox. And if you do so, that vendor will no longer see the finances menu and will no longer receive any email messages and notifications related with the finances. We have also integrated Protemos with TQ Auditor. TQ Auditor is a tool for tracking the quality of translators' job. If you're curious, I would recommend to check this website. To put it short, from now on you can create a TQ Auditor project directly from Protemos job page. So you no longer need to go and log into Protemos, copy the information about the project, and create it all anew. It's all now automated, and you can save several minutes of your time for each project creation. We have added French localization to the interface, and also we have added Spanish localization. So you may use now the system in these languages. The filters are currently look a bit differently. As you can see, we've introduced yes or no criteria. Which means that you have more flexibility in search, because previously you had just checkboxes. Oh, let me go back. Yeah, like here. There are also many other improvements in the system, but I will skip them in this video to keep it short. So thank you for your attention. See you soon.